Have you ever wondered how to become a web designer? In the digital era, web design is a critical skill, shaping the way we interact with the online world. This profession is not only creatively fulfilling but also in high demand. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to becoming a successful web designer, mastering tools, getting certified, starting your career, and more. We'll even share some insider tips to keep you ahead of the curve. Ready to jumpstart your journey into web design? Let's get started. First things first, you need to understand the basics of web design. At its core, web design involves a blend of technical knowledge and creativity. You'll need to get comfortable with HTML, the backbone language of web design that structures the content on a web page. Then there's CSS, which is like the fashion designer of the web, shaping the look and feel of the website. JavaScript, on the other hand, breathes life into your designs, making your website interactive and dynamic. But it's not all about coding. The principles of design are equally important. You'll need to understand concepts like color theory, typography, and layout design. Think of these as the rules of engagement, guiding how you create visually appealing and user-friendly websites. Mastering these fundamental skills is your first step to becoming a web designer. The journey may seem daunting, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. So let's dive in and get started on this exciting path. Now let's talk about the tools of the trade. In the world of web design, there are a few key software tools that are practically indispensable. Adobe Photoshop, for instance, is a powerful tool for creating and editing digital images. It's like the Swiss Army knife of graphic design. Then there's Adobe Illustrator, which is all about vector graphics. It allows you to create scalable designs that maintain their quality no matter how much they're resized. But it doesn't stop there. There are also tools for UI/UX design like Sketch and Figma, and coding platforms like Sublime Text and Visual Studio Code. It's important to familiarize yourself with a wide variety of tools so you can choose the best one for each job. Remember, these tools are just that, tools. They're there to help you bring your designs to life, not to limit your creativity. So don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Getting to grips with these tools will equip you to bring your designs to life. Certifications can be your ticket to credibility. In a field as dynamic and competitive as web design, having a certification or two can make all the difference. Certifications validate your skills, showing potential employers and clients that you're not just competent, but that you've gone the extra mile to prove it. Many reputable programs and institutions offer web design certifications. For instance, Adobe offers certifications for their suite of design tools, which are widely used in the industry. Google's Mobile Web Specialist certification is another excellent choice, focusing on creating effective mobile websites, a skill that's in high demand. There's also the CIW Web Design Specialist certification, which covers a broad spectrum of web design topics. And don't forget about free online platforms like Coursera and edX, where you can find web design courses from top universities worldwide. With certifications under your belt, you establish yourself as a credible professional. They're not just pieces of paper but badges of honor in the web design world. Once you're equipped with the right skills and certifications, it's time to dive into the professional world. Picture yourself as a fresh canvas, ready to be painted with experiences and accomplishments. Now you may be wondering, where do I start? It's simple. Begin with networking, connect with industry professionals, join web design forums, and participate in design communities. These platforms are a goldmine of knowledge, opportunities, and constructive feedback. Also, remember the age-old wisdom, practice makes perfect. Take on small projects. Volunteering, freelancing, and internships are great ways to gain practical experience. Use this time to hone your skills, understand client needs, and learn to meet deadlines. Don't shy away from challenges. They are your stepping stones towards growth. It's okay to stumble, as long as you get up, dust yourself off, and keep moving forward. Starting small is key. Every big success starts with a single step. A portfolio is your visual resume. It shows potential clients what you're capable of. Now let's talk about how to create an impressive web design portfolio. The importance of a portfolio cannot be overstated. It's your golden ticket to showcasing your skills and creativity. It's the tangible proof of your capabilities, the canvas where your work tells its own story. When you're crafting your portfolio, include a range of projects to display your versatility. Make sure you showcase your best work, the ones that truly highlight your unique design style and technical proficiency. Present each project effectively by providing some context. Share the brief you were given, the challenges you encountered, and how you tackled them. This will give potential clients insight into your problem-solving skills. Also, remember to keep your portfolio updated. As you grow and improve, so should your portfolio. Remember, your portfolio is your chance to shine, make it count. Now that you have a portfolio, it's time to get your name out there. In the vast world of web design, promotion is your key to success. Let's start with social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter are not just for sharing memes and pictures of your lunch. They're powerful tools for showcasing your portfolio, sharing your design process, and engaging with potential clients. Next, consider blogging. A well-crafted blog can highlight your expertise, provide valuable insights to your audience, and improve your website's search engine ranking. Write about your design journey, share tips and tutorials, or discuss the latest trends in web design. Finally, never underestimate the power of networking. Attend design conferences, join online communities, and reach out to other professionals in the field. You never know where your next big project might come from. Promotion is all about visibility. The more people see your work, the more opportunities will come your way. Before we wrap up, here are some additional tips to help you on your journey. Firstly, let's dive into the world of inspiration. It's quite essential to keep your creative juices flowing. You can achieve this by observing the work of other designers. There are countless design websites and blogs out there where you can explore diverse designs and innovative ideas. Don't just confine yourself to web design. Expand your horizons and take inspiration from various creative fields like graphic design, architecture, and even fashion. Remember, inspiration is everywhere. Next, let's talk about A/B testing. This is a method where you create two versions of a design and test them with a segment of your audience to see which one performs better. This is an effective way to optimize your designs, make data-driven decisions, and ultimately create a better user experience. So don't be afraid to experiment and test your designs. Moving on to our next tip, it's crucial to keep pace with the ever-evolving world of web design. Web design trends change faster than you can imagine. From new color schemes to typography trends, from minimalistic designs to interactive animations, the possibilities are endless. Make it a habit to stay updated with the latest design trends and incorporate them into your work. This will not only keep your designs fresh and relevant, but also help you stand out from the crowd. Lastly, never stop learning. Web design is a field that is constantly evolving, with new tools, techniques, and technologies emerging every day. So keep sharpening your skills, be open to learning new things, and don't shy away from challenging yourself. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to becoming a successful web designer. And that wraps up our guide on how to become a web designer. We've covered everything from mastering web design tools, getting certified, starting your career, creating a portfolio, promoting your services, to staying inspired and updated with web design trends. It's a journey, but one that's certainly worth taking. So why not start today? Embrace the challenges, and let your creativity take flight. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for more educational content like this.